Stock In. What is Stock In? The Stock In module is where you will record all the received items from the Stock Out. How do you create a Stock In? To create Stock In, from the main menu, go to Inventory, then select Stock, Transfer, and click Stock In. There are two ways to receive Stock Out item. First, select the transaction in the Open tab. Make sure to confirm if the items are correct, then click Receive. Otherwise, click Reject. Clicking Reject will delete the transaction in the Open list, but you can still see it in the Stock Out Open list. If you select the Receive button, it will proceed to the Stock In recording. Fill in the necessary information. Please note that all fields with an asterisk are required to create the Stock In, while those without the asterisk are optional information. Choose Stock In reference number, date received, and you can also edit the received quantity based on the actual quantity received. Click Save once done. Second, here's another way of receiving Stock In. At the upper right side of the Stock In window, click Create. Fill in the necessary information. Choose Stock In reference number, date received, stock from, and stock to. Select the reference number of the Stock Out transaction to be received from the ST number list. Confirm if the stocks are correct. You can also edit the received quantity based on the actual quantity received. Click Save once done. To delete the transaction, right-click and select the Delete option, or open the transaction and click Delete. You have just successfully created your Stock In transaction.